Hi, Tony. Hey, buddy. Yeah. What's going on, everyone? We are back today to do another boat video. We have got the boat cleaned up. We have got all the foam sheathing in it. We got all the floorboards and everything cut. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be applying the waterproof coat to the floorboards to get them ready to be carpeted and be secured into the boat. So we have a lot of work to do, but we're going to get that done. So without further ado, let's jump into here and let's get this done. All right, so we got the front deck board laid out here. What we're going to be using is Thompson's water seal, but this is the special waterproofing formula. It's a little bit stronger than the regular Thompson water seal. This will probably make more stronger waterproofing seal than the regular. Got one side of it done. Not too bad, not too hard. We're going to work on the other side now. We got the whole front deck waterproofed, so it's good to go. So what we got to work on now is the main floor and get that one. All right, now we got the main floor. Get that waterproof. Alright, got the top part of the main baseboard waterproof and sealed. Almost spilled that seal on me just a second ago. I don't know if you saw it, but it's very close. But now we're going to put this over and do the other side and seal the Alright, that gets it done. So both sides of the baseboard and all edges of it are now sealed and waterproof. So what we have to do now is we're going to have to let all this kind of soak and dry in. So it's going to take probably a couple days for that to kind of get done. Mainly because I wanted to get this done before it's supposed to rain like all weekend again. It literally will not stop raining around here. So I'm trying to get this done in between these rain spurts as much as possible. It's actually been trying to rain on me a little bit while I've been out here now. So what I gotta do is I'm getting all this done, and then I'll show y'all what I'm doing with it in the boat to let it dry and everything. But with it being inside the garage and stuff, it's going to take it probably a little bit longer to kind of soak in and dry than what I'd like it to. But hey, ain't much I can do about that. So because I gotta get done, and this dang weather is not letting me work very well. And there's Mr. Tony. Hi, Tony. Hey, buddy. Yeah. So he's my little work cat out here. He helps me. What? You want to come say something? Oh, okay. Bye. So I got this is the top deck board we waterproofed just a little bit ago. It's kind of hard to see, but I got it propped up, so that lets a little bit of air get underneath it and also dry the underside. So that'll kind of help that out. What we gotta do now is I think I'm gonna actually caddy corner the deck board across the boat, and then that'll give it air and stuff to breathe. I think that'll be okay. So let's see if we can make that happen. Cool. So I think that'll work. That'll keep it kind of where it can get some air and stuff. I'm gonna put a couple things underneath the corners here that will keep it from falling, and especially if Tony decides to jump on it, which he most likely will. That'll at least keep it from flipping on him and possibly hurt him. So not the most like versatile thing, but I had these little bitty bottles of like oil for like lawnmowers and stuff, so I'm using those to kind of prop up those corners a little bit. It should be fine. Tony don't weigh a whole lot, so not too worried about that. But that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. There's not a whole lot I can do right now till these get dry and stuff, but I will tell you what we got left to do. So what we got left to do is both of these. So the top deck board and the baseboard over there, both those have to be carpeted. We got the carpet laying right over there. So we'll have to get that carpeted, and that'll be a fun video. We got the 4 adhesive that we got to put in, and all that good stuff, and we'll get those carpeted and covered up, and that's where it's going to start looking really good. So and then we'll go from there. What we have to also do is, so this top deck here, we're going to be putting hinges up here on each side of this. This is going to be one ginormous hatch. And I know that's crazy, but it's just the way I want to do it. And I think it'd be really cool to do it. So one ginormous hatch, and what that's going to change into. Back here with the baseboard, or the floorboard, I guess, cover that carpet. Then it has to be attached to the boat. I said in another previous video, we're going to be doing that with L brackets. It's a little bit of a different strategy, but it's the strategy that's going to work for me, because yeah, I'm not a carpenter. Now, one other thing we have to do, and honestly, I've been putting this off for a while just because it's going to be a huge pain in the butt. So we got to work on the transom board back here. The old one is right there, and well, you should be able to see the problem with what's happening here. It's completely disintegrating and falling apart, which means it's useless. So we got plenty of leftover plywood. What we're going to be doing is we got to cut a new transom board to go back here in the back. Here's the fun part about this, is I got to cut it to where it's wide enough to go pretty much all the way to the side over here. As you probably see, it's really hard to see, but right there, like tip of my finger, there's 2 holes right there, and there's one on the other side as well. Which means, well, the boats, which are laying over there in a pile on my table, they have to go back in there, and well, transom board has to be wide enough to go all the way across there. But the problem is going to be getting it underneath these little lips right here. So that's why I've been putting this off, just because I really don't want to do it, because it's going to suck. But we're going to get it done. We're going to get that transom board cut. We're going to get it put in there. And well, honestly, I'm just going to have to suck it up and do it. So so that's what it is, right? But that is what we have left to do on the boat for the inside. So a few more videos definitely still coming on this boat renovation. A lot of stuff to do still. So definitely follow along if you're liking all this stuff. And I want you to do me a huge favor. I want you to go to the comment section, and I really need your help. I need you to decide if I'm going to paint the outside of this boat. I can't make up my mind. I've been tossing it in my head so many times, because I want to paint it, but at the same time I'm like, should I? So go to the comment section and do me a huge solid. Tell me if I should paint this or not, and tell me what color I should paint. Keep in mind that the carpet going on the inside is going to be like a dark gray. So definitely, help me out. Tell me if I should paint it and what color I should paint. But that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. I hope you're enjoying the boat renovation series. If you are, make sure to drop a thumbs up on this video. Go to the comment section like I said, and then of course make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you want to keep along with this whole series, and of course all of our other amazing videos, magnet fishing, geocaching, treasure hunting, whatever it might be. So again, thanks guys for watching and supporting the channel. Till next time, keep it real.